Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how you can plot various visualization figures with the help of pandas. So pandas is one of the most popular Python packages used in data science. Pandas offer powerful and flexible data structure, that is data frame and series, to manipulate and analyze the data. And visualization is the best way to interpret the data. So Python has many popular plotting libraries that make visualization easy. Some of them are Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. It has great integration with Matplotlib. We can plot a data frame using the plot method, but we need a data frame to plot. So we can create a data frame by just passing a dictionary to the data frame method of the pandas library. Now let's create a simple data frame. So I'm gonna just copy a piece of code. Now, as you can see, I have copied this piece of code. First, I have imported pandas and aliases.pd. Then I have imported matplotlib.pyplot as plt, which is a library for visualization. Then I have created a dummy data structure, data frame, so which has represented as name, and it has age column, a math, physics marks, and chemist marks. So basically, this is a dictionary now which I'm going to pass in pd.dataframe method in order to convert it into a data frame. Now let's run this piece of code. Now you can see there are various entries has been formatted in a particular table. So there are a number of plots available to interpret the data. Each graph is used for a purpose. Some of the plots are bar plots, scatter plots, histograms, and etc. So first let's see what a scatter plot is. So to get the scatter plot of a data frame, all we have to do is to just call the plot method by specifying some parameters. Now let's write a piece of code. df dot plot. I'm going to pass some argument. Don't worry, I'll make you understand of the meaning of each argument. Scatter x marks has to be inside this code, comma, y equals to marks, comma, color equals to red. Title in order to give name to your plot. So I'll give this is scatter plot. And in order to show it on the screen, you have to use plt.show. Now if I press shift enter, and you can see that this is the graph which is obtained. Okay, so I just did a small spelling mistakes. title. Okay, so as you can see. So basically what df.plot function does is plot takes few arguments. So currently we want to plot scatter plots. That's why we have passed scatter as the kind of argument. You can even pass bar plot for if you want to plot bar plot, and line plot in order to if you want to plot a line. And x specifies what you want on the x-axis and y specify what you want on the y-axis. And color is basically the data points color that should be marked as. So we have passed red. So as you can see, all the data points color has been marked as red. And plt.title is basically used in the matplotlib library in order to give title to your graph. So we have given scatter plot. So as you can see, scatter plot has been shown in the title, and in order to obtain this figure, you have to type plt.show. Remember, if you don't type plt.show, the figure will not appear. Now, if you want to have another example, let's plot a bar graph. So I just copy this code, paste it here, and instead of kind scatter, I will if we have to plot bar, so I'll just type bar, and I want in the x-axis, let's take name, and on the y-axis we tag physics marks. Okay, let's leave it physics marks as it is, and color we want green. Now again, as I mentioned, we want to give title, so plt.pip title, and it is in the bar plot, and in the new line, in order to make the figure appear, you have to use plt.show, shift plus enter, and there you go, we have a bar chart. And if you want to have line graph, you can just write line instead of kind, and you can customize if you want anything else. What you want to have on x-axis and y-axis, you can specify here, and whatever color you want to be represented in the graph, you can specify here. And remember to put plt.show. That's it from plotting with pandas.